Screen. Okay. Sa future, ayan, to express future action. Okay, so for example, I am cold. I'm cold. I feel cold, for example. I will close the window. Okay, in question form, pwede namang, will you close the window? Okay, I, who happen to be the subject, plus will, plus base form lang siya ha, base form lang. So for example, close, closed, closed, okay? Kung verb ing, closing naman. So base form lang ang gamit, okay? So mali po. Ano yung commonly mistakes dito sa future? Okay, that even professionals nakocommit to. I will going. Wala pong ganun. Pag will lang. Pag going, going lang. I will going to the market. I will go. Okay, will plus go to the market. Or I am going. I am going to the market. Okay? Kasi redundant. Tsaka wala namang formula. Ito yung formula, pinapakita ko sa inyo. O, yan yung rules na we need to follow. I will be at the library tomorrow. So may mga pananda siya, 'di ba, class? May mga pananda tomorrow, okay? So bukas pa lang bukas in the future pa lang mangyayari yung action. Okay? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, sa future tsaka sa past, okay, regardless if it is singular or plural, same lang yung gagamitin. Okay? Hindi tulad nung sa present tsaka sa past kasi pwede rin yung past progressive. For example, yung was and were. Okay? Pero sa future simple, regardless kung singular or plural, will or going pa din. So for example, they happens to be as plural, they will help. Okay? Again, kapag ka walang S, ano siya? Pag may S, singular. Pag walang S, plural. They will help you with your homework. Are we clear po? I'm going to buy some coffee. Okay, it looks like it's going to rain tonight. My friends, okay, happen to be are going to. Okay, subject plus will plus base form. Ayan. Next is future continuous, okay? Sa future continuous, continue, okay? Okay, subject plus will plus be, dito may be. So, kanina, sa present perfect continuous, di ba, has or subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing. Dito, subject plus will be, okay, plus verb ing. Kanina, been, yung pang-perfect niya. Dito, yung pang-future continuous niya is be, will be plus verb ing. Okay? Or subject plus is or are plus going to be plus verb ing. Okay? Ano ang mga conditions? Ongoing actions will happen in the future. Okay? Mangyayari pa lang yung actions in the future. For example, I will be taking the civil service exam next week. I, singular, will be. Will plus be plus verb ing next week. I am going to be taking the civil service next week. Lori will be sleeping by 10 p.m. Okay, so mangyayari pa lang, matutulog pa lang si Lori by 10 p.m. o palitan natin by 12 midnight. Okay? Future action will happen in the future. Okay? They are going to be studying next October. So hangga't hindi pa nag-October, hindi pa sila mag-aaral. So mag-aaral lang sila kapag October na. Future actions will happen also in the future. Okay? Ganun po yun. Okay? Tulad nung continuous, may when. Okay, may mga pananda. I will be sleeping when they arrive. So, matutulog lang siya. So, may condition na ulit, 'di ba? Kapag lang dumating sila. So, hangga't hindi sila dumarating, hindi ako matutulog. Oh, I will be sleeping when my husband arrive. Okay, pag dumating na yung husband ko. So, hangga't hindi pa dumarating si husband, hindi pa ako matutulog. Okay, I will be sleeping when they arrive. Future action will happen on the future or when the condition comes, okay? We will be having dinner when the movie starts. Okay, we will be eating this popcorn when the movie starts. So hangga't wala pa yung movie, wala na sa sine ka, hangga't hindi pa nag-i-start yung movie, okay, puro trailers pa lang, hindi pa kami kakain ng popcorn. So yung future actions will happen in the future also. Okay? When? Kaya nga siya, excuse me. Kaya nga siya continuous na. Okay, naantok na ako. Ang lakas ng electric fan dito. I will be sleepy. Will nga eh. Ano yung kasunod ng will, 'di ba? Continuous nga eh. Asan yung be? Will be having. Okay. Anne is going to be working when you leave. So, magtatrabaho lang ako. Anne is going to be working when you leave. Okay, ibig sabihin, hangga't hindi ka umaalis, di ako mag-start magtrabaho. Di ako mag-start maglinis. Okay? Anghin natin yan. Okay? So, wait lang. Mag-quiz is tayo. Try natin yung comprehension ninyo. Wait lang. Okay, punta kayo sa browser nyo. Type nyo quiz is. Alam niyo yun? Familiar ba kayo? Ayan, sa chat box. Well, hindi kayo magla-login na, hindi kayo mag-download ng app. Quiz is lang. Mag-ano lang tayo. Magta-try lang tayo. Ng, try natin yung comprehensions natin. Okay. Nakaano na? Try na, wait lang download siya. Saan sa labas?
Sa labas at may lalabas.
Wait ha, guys. Asa quizzes na kayo? Okay. No, quiz is download. Download. Punta kayo sa Google, type nyo quiz is. Okay. Let's see. Punta kayo sa Google. Okay, try nyo tong quiz is.
Kasi nag-iwasag ako marsa tumayo mo dyan. Gising ka pala. Ba't nakaubat ka?
Ayan, quiz is. Uy,
Magdamit ka. Magdamit ka.
nakikita na? Ang code is, dito lang kayo, play lang kayo, then name. 873-923. Hindi na. Okay, ayan, quiz is. Ayan yung link. Okay, yung link nasa chat. Ayan. Ayan din, nasa screen. Ang code, 153. Huwag nang nagbabagal. Okay na? Okay, 150 tayo pero wala pa sa 50 yung participants. Yan, quiz is lang. Play lang, hindi magda-download. 873-926. Punta lang kayo sa Quizzes. Ayan, naka-share screen. Quizzes, tas play. Kung loading siya sa internet niya yan. Okay. So, 150 na nandito sa link, nandito sa Zoom, 80 pa lang. So, make it 90 at least. 81. Yan. Come on, guys. Come on. Tignan natin. First time nyo ba? First time? Stop ko po muna to. We're having quizzes lang po.